Good morning, students. Today our topic of discussion is inflation. I think you have listened a lot of time the word inflation. Inflation is the rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. Inflation is typically broad measures such as overall increase in the prices in the cost form, well, like that keep. So, I think you know the word meaning of inflation. In this about inflation, causes of inflation, type, effect, inflation, control, inflation, and conclusion and consequences. We work on these slides. So first, I clear as you say कि in what is inflation? Inflation is a persistent, continuous, subsistent rise in the general level of the prices, but within a given period. If it is go to the 1 year or 2 years, then there is no inflation. But with very short time period, if prices goes very high, so this is called the inflation. It means cost of goods and services increases their value, like value in the money. That is called the inflation. So according to the definition, Koch authors, inflation is the state in which the value of money is falling and the price is rising. Well, and there are two reasons of the cost in inflation. One is cost push inflation. If cost is increasing, it is from producer side, it is from supply side. So this is called cost push inflation. And second thing is demand pull inflation, means ki if prices hike due to demand, that type of the inflation is called the demand pull inflation. If the wages of the worker, like in production, if labor cost high, it means your cost is high, so your production says supply is the high cost, so it will increase the prices of the product. So similarly, diagram by the cost push inflation, you see the price level, or you see the here AR is the demand, but supply side is a short run supply curve S1 S2. As supply come changes, it is the price increase price increases P1 to P2. It is due to reason not for demand. AR is just demand curve, but due to this is reason due to supply is cost is increasing. That's why your prices are going to hike. Causes of there are so many raw material, so many reasons. Maybe the labor cost high, maybe raw material become expensive, maybe failure of replace capital goods. First I'm using the labor, now I replace into the capital goods like machinery, falling the productivity workers. Yeah, or maybe from government side we can check if taxes are going high, or maybe food cost, processing cost is going high, like in bakery. If cake is 300 to 400, this type of the inflation called the supply side, the cost push inflation. And that it's a temporary or permanent. If it is the most costly is, for example, in inflation reaches to 5%, but the Bank of England basis rate on the 0.5%. So if it's temporary, then there is no problem, but it's permanent, that is a big challenge to the. Second thing is cost push inflation. Normally government take the precautions. Government try to reduce the inflation within short time. Maybe in long time they government try to invest, or other in short time government try to import the goods, so that the its cost not becomes to the high. They try to fulfill the supply according to the demand. This is just like they in if the, now this is called the demand pull. Demand means AD demand is there, but if AD demand increases, then P1 to P2 cost is high, due to Y1 to YT demand is high. So this type of the, but supply side is similar. AS is on the average supply curve. So supply is not changed, only due to change in the demand, prices going high. This type of the inflation is called the demand pull inflation. It is due to if people have in lot of money in their hands, liquidity in their hands, people's cash is there, government. And similarly, if any reasons people have money and they want to spend, but supply side is not increases as soon as possible, so this is the point due to demand increases. And through this type of the uh, reason where the greater demand pull inflation, for government try to decrease the supply with the physical policy or with the monetary policy. The government take the preventives, and this way inflation way matlab try to inflation. So inflation based on the coverage or scope, inflation based on the time occurrence, inflation based on the government reaction, and inflation based on the rising prices. These are the type of the inflation which we occur. First, like inflation coverage of scope means कि if inflation just is spare time like for a timing for, but if in the country like in these days Rus and Ukraine, these due to war time supply is not according to this, and people have demanded basic needs. So this type of prices hike, this type of the inflation is called time of occurrence. Push war or peace, and inflation based government reactions, open inflation. Yeah, you can say by monetary and physical policy, if government try to change the supply and demand of money according to that, if inflation occur, this is the government reaction. And if the rising prices, only the raw material uh, moderate running, these are according to the time gap, according to the need. To just I give you the one scheme. But effect of the inflation, if inflation is going hike, it impact our interest rate, which is as the instrument of monetary policy. Exchange rates, foreign exchange rate, unemployment is increasing because people have no money, maybe that is inflation occur. In stocks, decrease in the purchasing power, change in the allocation of the income. So this is the reason which, if inflation is going in any country, is impact all these factors. So controlling the inflation, we have the two measures, monetary measures and physical policy. Monetary measures is given by the RBI. Yeah, you can say कि central bank of the any country, which we increase the CRR ratio, or you can say कि rate of interest, there change in the rate of interest. Due to that, this is the short term, and but in physical measures it is for the long run, and it is given by the government. The instrument of controlling the inflation is the taxes. The monetary policy, as I say, credit control, demonetization of the country, issues of the new currencies. This is the monetary measures to control the inflation and physically reduce the unnecessary expenditure, increase the taxes, increase the savings, surplus budget and budget debit. These are the fiscal instruments, and out of this increase in the production. This is from the producer side, price control, rational wages policy. This is also another way we can control the monetary inflation. So if we check is this benefit for our country or it is not benefit, it inflation is in the steady rate, so then it is beneficially. But normal way may, because inflation means prices hike in very short period, so it is the adverse effect on our production, distribution of income, development, and obviously prices are going to effect on the relative prices. So this is just like a cycle means ki if currency is if we have the currency and there is an inflation, then growth path is going to less. So in really low inflation rate and upward economic growth is possible, but low inflation rate means slow economic growth, where money is excess and there is bidding by the consumer, which the cost of the goods scales. Thank you. Have a nice day.